Happy Crocktober! It's time to make another crock-pot dish. This one's in collaboration with my pals Molly Purcell and I'm merely Melissa. I'm gonna be making a crack chicken casserole in the crock pot. Grab a bowl. We need to add some cream of chicken soup, a cup of sour cream, half a cup of chicken broth, a 1-ounce packet of ranch salad dressing mix, and a shake of black pepper. I'm going to mix that together with a hand mixer. I'm going to be cutting up some chicken breasts into 1-inch cubes right into that mix. Add 2 cups of cheddar cheese, some chopped cooked bacon, and we're going to mix that all together gently. We're going to pour that in the crock pot and we're going to cook it for 6 hours on low. It's been cooking for 6 hours. Now it's time to put in a block of softened cream cheese. I don't have that. I'm adding some whipped cream cheese and mixing it in. Mix until fully melted. Now we add a 1.5 cups of cooked macaroni. Mix that in. We have ourselves some crack chicken casserole. It is decadent and it definitely tastes crack-worthy. It has got to be the creamy combination of the cream cheese, the ranch seasoning, and the bacon. Wow! To see more Crocktober crockpot recipes, you'll have to check the playlist that is linked in my description. Thank you so much, Molly Purcell, and I'm merely Melissa for hosting this awesome collaboration. Get those crockpots turned on. It's time to get cooking. Where do all the New York City landscapers live? Lawn Guy Land. Lawn Guy Land.